What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Stoners Lounge. So, I know that shit's been going crazy lately, but we just gotta stay positive and push through with this. It is kind of scary. I'm trying to think positive, and I think that everybody else should stay positive. I know that people have been going fucking ballistic over the toilet paper and clearing out the food aisles, and everyone thinks it's the end of the world and all that shit, and people are going back crazy. But we just gotta stay positive. We gotta reassure ourselves that nothing bad's gonna happen as long as we stay in, and we don't go out to too many places with too many people, and we stick to small groups of people, not big crowds, and stop being so selfish, because you might not be the one that has health issues, but your family members might have health issues, and our parents don't need to get sick over this stupid shit that's going around. So for all the younger people out there who are listening to this conversation I'm having with you, take care of yourselves, but not just yourselves. Think about the things that can happen if you were to carry COVID-19. I took an infection control class this semester and learned some basic, like how to wash your hands properly. So I think the next video I might just share how to wash your hands properly, because some of us don't have sanitizer in our houses due to the aisles being wiped out at the stores. So learning how to properly wash your hands the right way might help a lot of people. But let me know down in the comments below if you think that that'd be a good idea to make a video about. I thought that I washed my hands properly until I put some material on my hands and then went underneath the black light and saw that not a lot of us cleaned our hands properly. So she showed us how to clean our hands properly, and I went back into the black light and I realized that, hey, it might take a while to kind of wash your hands the right way, but I guarantee you, if you follow the way I show you how to wash your hands, you are definitely going to wipe off most of your bacteria and the germs that are on your hands. If you guys think that this is a good idea to make a video about, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So let's get on with that shit. Be safe, guys. Today I made a video with my mom. I decided to film her. I decided to film her. She decided to make a gnome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not following me already, please hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment if you guys enjoyed everything you guys watched today. Alright, guys, be safe. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.